Is your Android Auto refusing to connect? You're not alone. Here's how to get it working again in your Hyundai Elantra. First, check your USB cable. A faulty or cheap cable is the #1 cause of Android Auto issues. Use the original cable that came with your phone, or try a high-quality replacement. Next, restart your phone and your car. Sometimes a simple reboot is all it takes. Still not working? Head to your phone settings, find the Apps section, tap on Android Auto, and clear the cache. This can clear up minor glitches. Check for updates too. Make sure both your phone and the Android Auto app are running the latest version. Outdated software can cause big headaches. If you're using Bluetooth, disconnect and try using a USB cable instead. Wired connections are often more reliable in Hyundai Elantras, and don't forget to check your car's infotainment system. Go to settings and make sure Android Auto is enabled. If you see any warning messages, follow the prompts. Still stuck? Try connecting a different phone. If that works, the problem is likely with your device. If nothing helps, visit your Hyundai dealer. Sometimes a software update from the dealership is needed. Remember, most Android Auto problems are easy fixes. Start simple and you'll be back on the road in no time. Thanks for watching. For more easy car tips, subscribe now.